Tank on full, sun on skin, bare chest laughing in the wind. Route 3 curled by the blue, I got nowhere else to do. Windows down, salt on my face. Mile by mile I pick the pace. Cedar line and shoreline haze, I let the day just drift and sway. Fishing poles by the dockside road, cornfields wave as I roll slow. I got time, I got room, got the whole sky in its tune. Route 3, take me easy. Lake Ontario, keep me breezy. No sheriff, no loading in me to prove, just me and the road in a summer groove. Route 3, take me easy. Let me roll. Let me roll, let me roll. Stop for a cone by the harbor bend. Old guy's not like an old-time friend. Red barn flickers through the trees. I sip the day like sweet iced tea. Boat wakes shimmer off the rocks. Seagulls scream from the marina docks. I got sunburn on my shoulders now. Still I grin like I don't know how. Radio low but the heart runs high. Blue water spread out wide. No plans, no fight, no fight. Just a long wide road and a ride. Route 3, take me easy. Lake Ontario, keep me breezy. No shut, no load, no need to prove, just me and the road and a summer groove. Route 3, take me easy. Let me roll. Let me roll, let me roll. When the evening leans in gold and the map gets soft and old, I don't need much, I don't need much. Your warm wind and a lucky hunch. Route 3, take me easy. Lake Ontario, keep me breezy. No shut, no load, no need to prove, just me and the road and a summer groove. Route 3, take me easy. Let me roll. Let me roll, let me roll.